In this brand new InShot tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place an iPhone frame over top of a screen recording using InShot. Make sure you watch the entire video because I've discovered a trick that has worked for me since I've been making a bunch of shorts providing tips on how to use Apple Photos. Tap New. Go ahead and add the screen recording that you want to work with. Select it and then tap on the check mark. Notice that the aspect ratio is not set to 16:9. That's okay. Tap on PIP, tap Photo, and find the phone frame that you want to add. Press Autofill to make the phone frame fill the screen. Tap the end of the PIP clip and choose Video End. If you have one continuous clip, like I do, you can also use Clip End. If you're going to add phone frames to your screen recordings, you should do it before you make any other edit. Once your phone frame appears on screen as an overlay, tap on Cutout, tap Chroma key, remove the green color, tap on the check mark, and tap this check mark one more time to go to the main timeline. The first time I did this, I thought that the phone frame was automatically placed properly over top of the screen recording. You can see that this isn't the case. Your first instinct might be to move the frame, and this is what I did when I first attempted to do this. What you actually need to do is tap the check mark to go back to the main timeline, select your main track, pinch the track down so that the corners are covered like this. The corners were sticking out past the edge of the frame. You'll notice that the photo of the phone frame actually has a cutout for the dynamic island. If you move the frame, the final result may not look right. Moving the screen recording and leaving the frame stationary will ensure that the final result looks like it should. Before you make any other edits to your video, I would recommend exporting it out into a new project. InShot actually has an AI cut feature that will use AI to edit your video. However, I've noticed when I've used the AI cut feature to remove awkward pauses, bad takes, and silent parts of a video, it will sometimes remove the phone frame from the video. To prevent this, tap the share icon. Tap on save after adjusting the setting and wait patiently for the export to finish. Now create a new video project. Make sure video is selected and choose the video with the iPhone frame and bring it into the project. Notice that the corners of the screen recording are not showing and there are no gaps between the edge of the frame and the screen recording. Now you can make edits and the overlay will not be removed.